All right, Jesse, you got some fan mail here, brother.
Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
Thanks. I have no clue. Oh,
He said
dang.
he got you some parts for the 55 there.
Dude. Yes, sir. Dang, there's a gas gauge, a gas lid. Oh, yeah.
America.
That's going right on the dang car. That is, yes.
That's some freedom right there for
Stars
you.
and bars right on the front end of my American car. That is
That's
awesome.
cool right there.
Holy crap. Got some V's. Yes, sir. I'll put that on when I get my V8 in it.
There you go.
Dang, man.
I think those are all kinds of clips and nuts and bolts for like a trim and stuff like that.
Nice. That'll work, man. That's it.
It's like
Awesome,
Christmas.
man.
That's super cool.
That is cool.
One of our YouTuber friends seen it. We got the 55 there for Jesse, and we went and done that whole trip. And he was like, "Hey, so I got some spare parts. You guys want it?" And it was super cool. He just sent the stuff to us, and I think that's really awesome, man.
That is awesome, man. Yeah, again, dude, appreciate it. Much appreciation, man. That's cool.
Right.
That right there makes it all.
That's right. It's pretty cool, ain't it?
Dang, that blew me away when he said, "You got fan mail?" I said, "Fan mail? What the heck?"
Fan mail.
Or
That's right.
whatever you want to call it.
That's right. It's a care package, man. It's like Christmas came early, buddy.
Dude, yes. Well,
Bye.
Cracky, when it's time to put chrome on that Cadillac, right there's going to be the front piece,
That's
dude.
the front piece right there. There we go. But heck yeah, I think that's super cool, man. It feels really good when we get shout outs and stuff from people watching the channel, and it's really cool. But hey guys, a big shout out to KC Flashbacks for giving us this super cool care package. He definitely hooked us up with a lot of freedom right here and his emblems, and just the time to say, hey, we'll send you guys a care package. So I think that's really cool. Me and Jesse are super happy about that, and we're going to send him some t-shirts and some stickers just as a big thank you.
Yeah, man, and whatever your belief is, God bless you, brother, man. This is cool right here.
Made our day. Thank you.
Exactly. Made my week.
Alrighty guys, I thought that was super cool. That's our first fan mail package that we've gotten from somebody we don't do business with or things like that. So that was really cool. You know, huge shout out to KC Flashbacks there. I mean, that was really awesome for him to send that package to Jesse there for his car. You know, I mean, this stuff isn't cheap. This stuff takes a lot of work and time and effort, and you know, when somebody cares enough, it's like, hey man, I seen y'all working on that car, here's you some parts to go on that thing. So I think that's really awesome, and you know, especially during all this crazy stuff that's happening in the world right now, and you know, all of us hot rodders can come together in the community and, you know, make Jesse's dream come true. So I think that's really cool. You know, if anybody else would like to donate any parts for Jesse's 1955 Chevrolet, just send me a comment on Facebook, and we can get together and work something out. But we're super excited about his build. Yes, right now it's still got the 6-cylinder in it. He's definitely got a lot of plans for the future of that thing, and we'll definitely see all that right here on the channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If not, be sure to hit that subscribe button and help us out. And definitely anytime you guys comment on our YouTube videos, it helps us out a bunch as well. Just by putting that comment on there, whether it be like, hey man, cool, or a smiley face or anything, or it helps the videos out, and we can see that, we can see it big time. It's happening, and our videos are getting more views and that sort of thing. So again, thank you all so much. Till next time, you guys have a good one.